In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a shared photo album on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. Then tap right here to head over to Albums. If you scroll down a bit, you will be able to find all your current shared albums. And if you would like to create new one, you can tap Add this plus and select New Shared Album. On the next step, you must enter your album's name and tap Add Next. Now we are prompted to add some users to that album. We can easily do so by tapping right here. That will open up our contacts book, and from here we are able to select some users. In that way, keep in mind that the users has to have Apple ID accounts. To continue, tap Add Create. That will create shared album, and after that we are able to add some photos in it. So get into shared album, and to add a photo, tap right here at that plus, or tap at three dots and select Add Photos. In both cases, you will be taken to your camera roll, and from here you will be able to select some photos or videos. In that way, just check mark them and tap Add. To continue, tap Add Post, and after that the photos and videos will be added to your shared album, and all the users you have added to that album will be able to get access to that pictures and videos. If you would like to add new user to your shared album, tap right here at that icon, then tap Add Invite People, and then in the same way add any user to that album. If you would like to remove some user from that album, you can easily do so in the same way. Just get into that user's profile here, and then tap Add Remove Subscriber to remove them from allowed user for that album. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.